Hello, friends. Today, I have taken very good stock for you that will give you very good returns in coming days. Yes, all of my friends at stock is SoundHound. AI and stock friends zone stock now. Close at $11.01 USD level on Jolt 7th. 2025 friends, if you want, you can invest now on zone stock and you can earn good profit in coming days. Friends, SoundHound. AI in company market cap is 4.42 billion. Friends, SoundHound AI Incorporated develops independent voice, artificial intelligence AI platform that enables businesses across industries to deliver high-quality conversational experiences to their customers. Its products include Houndify platform that offers a suite of Houndify tools to help brands build conversational voice assistants such as automatic speech recognition, natural language understanding, wake words, custom domains, text-to-spec, and embedded voice solutions. SoundHound AI Incorporated was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Santa Clara, California. Friends, SoundHound AI Incorporated company related to technology sector in its working on software application industry. Friend, you more good returns in coming days. So all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel now. Friends, thanks for the watching. Stock News Sagar.